Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
When you say the last frost date, usually for the desert, that's around Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
So if we do get one this week, that's very unusual. We're several weeks past our normal.
Yeah, I mean, we got a low on the horizon that's showing about 36 degrees, and with the wind chill that's likely going to be there, it'll be about 30 degrees. So below freezing in some parts of town. And we'll see if it holds up, but it has a lot to do with this, the low pressure coming in, a little bit of, rain, and the native cooling effect of this rainwater that's in the soil right now that's going to evaporate a little bit. It's actually going to cool a lot of things, and it's going to bring some more low pressure. I mean, so a lot of cool effects happening. If you're into weather, this is a great week. You actually got some changes.
Other than blowing dust reports.
Yes, and hopefully there's no more dust. Hopefully it's all been batted down by this last rain. That definitely knocked down the dust around our place for sure.
At least for a couple weeks anyway.
Right. That's good.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.